Hello. To be able to use your NFC Tomestone, you're going to need two things. Your NFC Tomestone and a smartphone with NFC capability. First, make sure your NFC is enabled on your phone and get an app like NFC Tools in order to write on it. I'm using the Pro version here as I have to write on quite a few of these, but it's not needed necessarily. Also, I'm sorry for everything being in German here because I wasn't able to swap it. After starting the app, tap your tome on the back of your phone, normally in the top third of the back of your phone, until your phone detects the tombstone. It might take a little bit of testing, but you're gonna find the right place. Just make sure to hold it in position for a few seconds in order for it to be able to detect it. In this case, you can see there's nothing written on the tombstone yet. Should there be already something written on it, you can just use the app to safely erase everything that is on it prior to writing something new on it again. Just select what you want to write. In this case, I'm writing a link, specifically the link to my link tree onto the tombstone. So I'm selecting URL and just putting in the link, deleting everything that is double because I have to select the type of link in front of it, just to make sure everything works properly. After you put on all the stuff you want to write, just hit the right button and when prompted, tap your stone once again to the back of your phone. And that's it. Once it shows it is finished, after a few seconds, you're all done. And don't need the app anymore to read it, as phones automatically detect the type of information you set up in the app. So everybody with an NFC enabled phone can just read what is written on it, without needing any kind of app. Thank you!